In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a radio button filter in Tableau Desktop. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in and get started. Before we begin, make sure you have your Tableau Desktop opened up and ready to go. First things first, we're going to open the Tableau public app. You can find this on your desktop or within your list of applications. Once you've launched the app, you'll want to access your worksheet. This is where all the magic is going to happen, so make sure you have your data source connected and ready. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of setting up our radio button filter. We'll begin by dragging the sales field to the rows shelf. This will display your sales data, organizing it in a way that allows you to visualize the numbers you're working with. It's a simple drag and drop action, and voila, you should see your data appear in the rows section. Next, let's drag the subcategory field onto the columns shelf. By placing it here, you're able to categorize your sales data into different subcategories. This organization will allow you to apply filters more effectively later on. You'll notice that your data view adjusts automatically, giving you a clearer picture of how sales are spread across each subcategory. Now that we have our basic setup in place, it's time to create that filter we've been talking about. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the subcategory field. This will reveal a list of options, allowing you to customize how this field operates within your workspace. With the drop-down list open, look for the option that says Show Filter and select it. What this does is add a filter box to your view, giving you a dynamic way to sift through the data categories. It's crucial for when you need to focus on specific segments of your data quickly. As a next step, let's enhance our visualization by dragging sales onto the label area. By doing this, you make your data not just a set of bars or charts, but something that communicates numerical insights directly, right where it matters. It's this kind of detail that helps make Tableau a powerful tool for data visualization. Finally, to wrap things up, head over to your legend filter. You'll want to make sure you select it, allowing you to fine-tune how your data is displayed. This is particularly useful when you need to toggle between different subcategories or highlight specific data points using your newly created filter. And there you have it. You've successfully created a radio button filter in Tableau Desktop. Now you can explore your data with new insights, filtering through layers of information with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.